I've created the perfect GPT to assist you in creating VBA macros, and I will show you this GPT with a real-world example. And this will at least 10x your productivity within Excel. Here's our example. Let's say you extract a file from a system and you get a lot of different sheets with data. It could be that you have intercompany balances and the receivable in one company should match the payable in the other company. In this case, I would like to reconcile it together in one sheet. And to do that, you can create a macro that loops through, go through all the different sheets and copy the data and put it here in the reconcile sheet. And that is exactly what this GPT will assist us with. Let's open ChatGPT, and you need a premium account. And in the video description, you have a link to this GPT and you can use it for free and thank me with a like to this video. What this GPT will do is to just write the code. It will act like a professional macro creator. It will explain the macro and it will comment in the macro as well. So I've created the instructions perfectly in order for it to give you the best possible result. And our prompt will be copy data from all sheets except the sheet reconcile, cells A2 to E and the last cell, because in some sheets there will be A2 to E4, in another one it will be A2 to E5, and put it in the sheet reconcile. That's all you need to write. It already have the knowledge base and the instructions to give you the best possible result. Press enter. It will start writing the code, not nonsense above, and then it will clarify what written. And now we go up and copy our code. Head back to Excel, open up the developer tab. If you don't have it, right click anywhere, customize the ribbon, and make sure developer tab is marked. Go into the developer tab, Visual Basic, right click anywhere here, and insert a new module and paste our code. We go back to Excel, open up our developer tab, choose macros, and the macro was called copy data to reconcile. When we press on run, see how perfectly it went through all the different sheets and put the data here into the reconcile sheet. You can see we have 3 different rows from the A sheet and 2 from the B sheet. Let's have a look. It's 3 here in the A sheet and 2 here in the B sheet. Hopefully this GPT will save you a lot of time and boost your productivity. Like I said, like the video to support the time it took me to create this for us.